Good morning. In Political Science class 12th, the topic that I have taken today is tensions and conflicts in post communist countries. This topic is related to the clashes, the tensions, the disputes between and among various parts of former USSR and some other outside powers also. For example, Chechnya, it had very bad relations with USSR right from the beginning, and that was going on for secessionist movement. Secessionist means to withdraw and to have independent political entity and to not to be the part of the organization or the state. Similar things were going on in Dagestan. All right. Now in Central Asia part in that area, civil war was going on in Tajikistan and Georgia. And in the province of Azerbaijan, the area like Nagorno Karabakh, they were having some local Armenians who also wanted to secede, to leave that and to join Armenia, another republic earlier. Okay, then we come to the people, the clashes, the conflicts in Ukraine, Kyrgyzstan, and Georgia. Here also, the movements were going on against their own government, against their own political system. And in the areas like Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, the fighting was going on over the distribution of river waters. In Central Asian republics, here the republics, the areas were the zone of conflict, and the reason was the competition, okay, between the outside powers and the oil companies. They were trying to have control over the reserves of oil, okay, and because of huge reserves of resources of hydrocarbon in this area. Now we come towards the US. US also wanted this area, especially of Central Asia, to be used as a military base so that in case of war with Iraq and Afghanistan, that territory can be used to fly over the airplanes during the wartime. And in return, US would give rent for such territories. Okay? And Russia, that used to take these states as near abroad or next to its territory. And that also wanted to have its influence and control, all because of oil fields and natural resources. Then we take the example of China. China also had its own interest, all mainly because of the natural oil and the resources. Then, if we come towards Balkan republics of Yugoslavia, they broke into Croatia, Slovenia, Bosnia, and Herzegovina and declaring themselves independent. And the ethnic Serbs who were living there since the beginning, they opposed such steps. And as a result, the non Serbs Bosnians were massacred. So we see that in post communist countries, mainly the reasons were the deposits, the resources of minerals, oil, many countries, outsiders, even the superpowers like US, China, and Russia, and other countries also, and the people, private people also, oil companies also, they wanted to establish their control over these resources, which were located in many of these parts. So that's all.